Hello there, my name is Israel Oyeni, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can use trigger links on GoHighLevel to actually trigger, as the name implies, a set of automations within GoHighLevel. Now the beauty of trigger links is that when you create a trigger link, for example, let's go to marketing. On the tab, that's where you create a trigger link. So once you go to marketing, you come to trigger links under marketing tab. So given the fact that you are in a sub account, all these are available for sub accounts on GoHighLevel. So once you are in the trigger link, you can simply add a new trigger link here. These are the trigger links that are already on this sub account. So you can come here and add a new trigger link. Then you can name the trigger link here and add the link to the second bar here. So once you have done that, then you save. So that's just the way you can create a link. So you can add any link on any platform to GoHighLevel and save it as a trigger link. So you name the link based on what the link is meant for. Maybe the link is to a calendar, for example, or the link is for reviews, or the link is to a website, or the link is to a form. So anything, any platform that has a link can be added to GoHighLevel. So for example, it's possible that that link that I have created now, you can actually move it outside GoHighLevel to another website platform, or it can even be shared via an SMS, via an email. So that's the beauty of links. Links can be shared anywhere, but once it is saved here as a trigger link, you can use it to trigger an automation. So in other words, the link can be on another platform entirely, maybe on WhatsApp or on SMS or a YouTube channel or anywhere where you can just use the link to tag a post, for example. But whenever somebody clicks that link, it triggers a set of automations. So now we're going to the automations tab. So obviously we come to an automation tab here, and then we have an automation tab that has already been opened here already. So we are using an existing automation for a booking, for an appointment booking, because the link that we want to trigger is a link to a particular calendar for a customer to book an appointment, for example. So basically you just come to search, you search for the trigger here. So if you come here, you can just come and click on add trigger. You can search for trigger link. You should search for trigger link. So when you click on it, you have this. This is what you're going to be having as the dialog box. So once you click on trigger link, you come here, you click on you filter. Let me erase this. So you come here, you filter. Once you click on filter, you come here, you click on trigger link. Then you select the trigger link that you have already created here. Trigger link that I have already created and saved here. So you select it here. So for example, I'm going to select appointments link. Then I'm going to press save trigger. So once I've saved that, it will automatically trigger all these actions. That is how it works. So for example, if this link, wherever this particular link is, wherever it shows up, wherever it is being clicked on, it's going to set up this inside GoHighLevel. It's going to set up all these actions inside GoHighLevel, adding a tag, assigning the person to a user, sending an internal notification, as well as everything that you're supposed to do for the particular contacts. If they actually booked from the calendar, it will be done also with this particular trigger link. So that's the beauty of it. And with this, you don't need Zapier, you don't need n8n, you don't need Make or any other third-party automation platform, which actually gets to save costs for a particular business. So with that you can actually trend the link to any social media platform, get leads to book your appointments immediately just by a simple click from maybe a video that they watched on YouTube. They can simply click on it, book an appointment, and then from there you can just get your notification at the comfort of your room without any third-party automation. So let me know if there's any contribution, maybe there's any comments you'd like to leave below, and let's start engagement.